Never give up. Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there were two hummingbirds named Lily and Max. They were small birds with colorful feathers and big dreams in their hearts. One sunny day, while they were fluttering from flower to flower, they noticed a high mountain in the distance. Lily said excitedly, "Max, let's see what's on top of that mountain." Max looked unsure. "But Lily, it looks so steep and tall. We might not make it." Lily smiled and replied, "Don't worry, Max. We can do anything if we believe in ourselves. Let's never give up." So, they embarked on their journey, facing strong winds and rain along the way. Whenever Max felt tired, Lily encouraged him, saying, "Come on, Max. We're almost there. We can't give up now." They encountered tricky branches and slippery rocks, but they kept going, determined to reach the mountaintop. They met other animals who tried to discourage them, but Lily and Max stayed positive. Finally, after a lot of effort, they reached the summit. They saw a magnificent flower blooming, shining with vibrant colors. Lily and Max couldn't believe their eyes. "We did it, Max. We never gave up, and now we're rewarded with this beautiful sight," Lily exclaimed happily. Max nodded, feeling proud. "You were right, Lily. With determination and belief, we can achieve anything." As they flew back to their forest, they shared their story with other birds and animals. Lily and Max became known as the birds who never gave up, inspiring everyone to pursue their dreams with perseverance. And from that day forward, whenever they faced challenges, Lily and Max always remembered their journey to the mountaintop. They knew that as long as they believed in themselves and never gave up, they could overcome anything that came their way.
Fluttering. Moving quickly and lightly, typically with a series of small and rapid motions, the butterfly was fluttering gracefully from one flower to another, spreading beauty with its delicate wings. Embarked. To begin a journey or undertake a new venture. After months of planning, the explorers embarked on their expedition to discover the hidden treasures of the ancient ruins. Discourage. To make someone feel less confident or less determined. Jane's friends tried to discourage her from participating in the talent show, but she stayed confident and decided to perform anyway. Vibrant. Full of bright and lively colors. The flowers in the garden were vibrant, with colors that caught everyone's attention. Summit. The very top of a mountain or hill. They reached the summit of the mountain and enjoyed the stunning view from the top. Belief. Trusting in oneself or having confidence in something. Lily and Max had a strong belief in their abilities to achieve their dreams. Pursue. To work towards or follow a goal or dream. Lily and Max encouraged others to pursue their passions and never give up. Overcome. To successfully deal with or defeat a problem or challenge. They overcame their fear of heights and climbed to the top of the tree. Reward. To give something as a result of effort or achievement. Their hard work was rewarded with a trophy for first place.